see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're gonna be getting into possibly what's the most hyped week for this season so far. We got two of the best items releasing and I feel like these shits might be hard to cop. Hopefully not, because we are getting all the in-store stock online, but there's a whole bunch of people trying to cop, so this shit might be a little bit tactical. Hopefully this week we do end up cooking up. We've been souffleing almost every single week, so hopefully this one we do the same. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And yo, let's see if we can get me to 15,000 subscribers. We're literally this close. We need 150 subs. Let's see how fast we can get there. I promise you guys I will have a dope ass giveaway where 5 winners will have a chance to get something cool. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So for this week, we're gonna do the usual. We're gonna start from the bottom of the list and work our way up to the top. I am possibly gonna do a second video regarding this week's drop list. I don't know what it's gonna be about. If you guys do have any ideas, go ahead and let me know in the comments. But we're gonna start off with this tank 5 panel. Pretty much there's a tank on the hat. It says Supreme on the side. Shit is kind of Duke-a-Loop. I understand why it's at the bottom of the list. The best part of this hat is definitely like that baby blue color on the one all the way on the left hand side. But besides that, this shit is ass, bro. I'm not gonna try to get that shit not, bro. Just no. We got this cotton mesh gradient short sleeve top. This one comes in 5 different colorways. The letters are basically in this gradient style going all the way down, then it goes reverse on the other side. If you guys don't notice, this is like a stripper net type shirt. It has stripper holes all in it, like cheese grades kinda. So I feel like you can freak this in the summertime more than anything. I get why it's at the bottom of the list. Next up, we do have the animals sweatpants. I don't know what kind of animals these are, because these motherfuckers do not look like animals to me. I just don't see it. I don't even know if it says Supreme. Low-key, that looks like a nipple. I just don't get it, bro. I'm trying to see where the animals are at. Maybe I'm just tripping. I see like tikis and everything else besides animals. I'm good on these. If I was to go for these, definitely the olive colorway or the black colorway are the ones to go for. We also do have the animal hooded sweatshirt. I can definitely see the animals on this, but on the sweatpants, it just looks like a whole bunch of nothing. This is cool though. I like the fact that they implemented the branding around your head top, but once again, if you have the hoodie down, you won't even see the branding, so it's kind of like bittersweet. I feel like the best colors once again are the black and the olive. A pass for me, hands down. Next up, we have this digital logo track pant. This pair of track pants look like the alarm clock that you would use back in the day. It's fire, but it's like, I don't know, I feel like they should have made it smaller. Maybe I'm just nitpicking at this point. Maybe if the branding was a little bit more put together, a little bit smaller on the leg, I would be with it a little bit more, but I'm good. I'm just good on these sweatpants right there. After the sweats, we do have this suede 6 panel. The 6 panel is fire, bro. I don't know what it is about hats and Supreme this season, but they've been killing it, bro. They got another dad hat coming out, this minty green colorway, bro. Beautiful. I'm trying to tell you, this shit is beautiful. We got the all black suede hat. That shit is an everyday banger in my opinion. I am a fan of this hat right here, not gonna lie to you guys. It does say Supreme Paris, bro. It just looks silky, like you could touch this shit and get moist type vibe on it. But we got this raffia camp cap. This is just another regular camp cap. Regularly they drop these, and these are the ones that I'm like, I could pass on that one. But they've been doing a lot of dad hats, and those are the ones I'm freaking not. Hell no, I would not get this, bro. This is like that chair your grandma has outside on the deck. I'm good on this shit right here. We got this Vanson letters bag. This shit gonna be bread, bro. If you guys know and follow Supreme, you know that the Vanson collabs are so expensive, like so unnecessarily pricey. Like, I'm good on this shit. It looks cool. It looks like the ABCs you see on your kindergarten class bulletin board. I'm good on this shit. Definitely a pass. And right along with the bags, we have like this painted logo short sleeve top. This shit is cool. I don't know how to explain it. It's like this all over Supreme print. It looks alright. I feel like this should be like from a designer brand. It just gives me that type of vibe, like this playful, colorful vibe. I'm good on it though. Personally, I don't think I would see myself wearing something like this. It's just too out there, too bright. I like more subtle stuff, and this is definitely not it. We do have this digital logo track jacket. This one basically says Supreme in the same digital font going down the side of the jacket. The jacket is definitely way more fire than the pants. I like the fact that they did it all the way from like here on your head to like the bottom of the sleeve. That's actually pretty cool because it goes down the whole side. That's actually a fire design. To me, I would definitely go for that black or that gray color. That's just the way that my life is set up. I love subtle colors. That's just me 100%. But we got this Vanson leather jacket with all the letters going on. This shit gonna be like $1,000 on a good day. Like this shit might be $2,000 on a regular day. Like this shit is expensive, bro. I just don't see it happening on this side, bro. Like just no, bro. We got this Intarsia script short sleeve. This one isn't that bad. It kind of reminds me of like a baseball shirt, baseball jersey, kind of. It's just the logo and the way that it looks. It's okay. It's just something that I wouldn't pay top money for. Like if you guys know, the tops are $78 to $98 for a shirt, and they could smoke a tip. Like I'm good on that one. Like that's OD. Now we're gonna get into the 5 most hype items, and one thing I do want to say is that if you guys are trying to secure this week's Supreme drop list, I would definitely recommend you guys to check out Addict.io. They have been cooking up like crazy, bro. They cooked up on all the Oreo restocks, the regular Oreos. They cooked on TNF. They've been cooking every single week this season, and I would definitely recommend you guys to check them out. It's only $130 for a permanent bot that you don't have to keep renewing, and if you don't even have the $130, you can go ahead and pay it in 4 different payments, which will come up to $32 each payment. Definitely a vibe. They do cover like 85 plus stores from Kith, Undefeated, Supreme, Palace, a whole bunch of stuff you can buy with Addict.io. It's also really easy to set up. It takes you maybe 90 seconds to set up for a release, which is super easy, bro. They have the most updated technologies. They always update the bot before the drops just to make sure that everything is up to date and working the best way that it possibly can. I honestly would say go ahead and check out Addict.io because they've been cooking for so many people who buy it. Even people that buy it from this channel have seen success. A lot of people bought them Oreos, bro. I'm just saying, when it comes to items like the Motion logo beanie, some of these accessories that are releasing this week, I would say the best bet would be to get this bot because you can go ahead and set it up and you have a way higher chance of getting these items. Honestly, in times like this when you can't go in the store, when there's so many people packing these websites on hyped releases, honestly, this is the best way to get through. So definitely check out Addict.io if you are trying to succeed on the most hyped items for this week, including the Motion logo beanie and the Motion logo hoodie. You also can get 10% off if you use my promo code Astro. So let's go ahead and get straight to the rest of this video. So like I was saying, we're gonna get into the 5 last items on this drop list, the most hyped items. One of them being like this helmet for riding bikes or riding a scooter, whatever you're into, a ripstick. You can go ahead and get this helmet. This shit might even protect you from the Zika virus, all that shit. Like this shit could definitely help you succeed in life, but it's just not for me, bro. I'm not out here wearing helmets. That's not stylish. So I feel like if I'm gonna crack it open, I'm gonna just crack it open regardless. I'm good on this piece, but a lot of people would go ahead and get this. This is like a skateboarding helmet if that's something that you're into wearing. Personally, I'm good on it. Next up, we do have the splatter dyed beanie, which is actually fire in my opinion. I feel like a lot of people will sleep on this beanie and it's actually down my alley. I'm a fan of the little splatter paints that it does have going on. I just do wish that if it was a beanie, it would have been a loose gauge beanie. I'm a huge fan of those. I wear my beige beanie all the time, and I just said that word like 60 times in one sentence. I would just love this hat way more if it was a loose gauge because they just form fit your head, and when you have a big ass mega dome, it just works better. It works around the size of the back of your head rather than like a tight like condom beanie. Like I don't know how to explain it, but this hat is definitely fire. I would personally go for the black one or the yellow one, probably the black one. Next up, we do have this waterproof lighter case. This shit is hard. It kind of does remind me of the Bic that they came out with ever so long ago. That shit is going for probably like $150, which is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Like I'm not paying $150 for a $1 lighter. Like I'm good on all that, but this lighter case right here is fire to me. I do like the fact that it's like a keychain. You could replace the lighter and it looks like a Supreme lighter every time. Definitely fire. I just hope they don't tax on this shit. Like maybe $15, $25 max. Like nothing more than that I would buy this for. But we're gonna talk about about the two most hyped items, which are the Motion logo beanie and the Motion logo hoodie. First, let's talk about this beanie, bro. This shit is fire. I don't even know what color to go for. All of them are equally fire. I just personally wouldn't get the white one because that shit gonna get greasy. We already went over this, but every other colorway on this list is hard, bro. I'm low-key trying to get the one that's gonna sell out last just to make sure that I get it. I don't care if I get yellow, green, tomatoes, yams, potatoes. I don't care. Like, all of these shits are hard. Definitely that gray one I would wear all the time. The black one I would wear all the time. The green is fire. The red is fire. The purple is hard. And the yellow is cool too. Like, I would take each of these shits. Resell, I definitely feel like will be there because people have been anticipating Motion logos for a minute. That is probably Supreme's like second best logo. This is from the Godfather logo. This is where they got it from. It's like a reference to the title or some shit like that, but this is fire. And last up, we do have the hoodie. The hoodie is gonna go quicker than you can blink. This shit is so cool to me. I'm definitely feeling the weirder colors. I feel like I have black Supreme hoodies, I have gray Supreme hoodies and certain other colors, but I definitely am a fan of that green. It just pops like crazy. The red one is fire to me as well, but honestly, bro, I would get either one of these colors. I don't even care. Resell is gonna be through the roof when it comes to these pieces. It's almost guaranteed. People love Motion logos and they don't drop it all the time, which makes it a little bit more exclusive. Low-key, they drop Motion logos less than they drop box logos, so these shits will sell out and these shits will have resell. That's a promise that I can make to you. I personally am trying to get the black one, the gray one, the red one, the green one, the purple one, the yellow one, or the white one. I don't even care which one I get personally, but I guess that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys have any other ideas of what I can talk about as far as this drop list goes in another video, let me know in the comments down below. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Let's get this one to like 150 likes, 200 likes. I don't even know, just spam that like button for me. That definitely would mean a lot. Subscribe to the channel. Let's see if we could get to 15,000 subscribers. I promise you guys I will start a dope ass giveaway for you. But without any further ado, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make a feel.